paper. The rain. Can't see shit. But it's gotta be done. So I wanna thank my new subscriber, Mr. Dan Sam. Thanks Dan Sam for your subscription. Right on, bro. Thanks for coming with me on my deliveries. So I'm behind about 40 minutes today. On a rainy day, you gotta put the film on the newspaper, so that takes a lot of time. There's only a couple machines, so everyone's waiting for their turn. Then you gotta organize the bike, put some covering on it. The rainy day is pretty much sucks. But what do you gotta do? You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Check out these little tiny streets. Woo. Where am I? Got lots of puddles. Look at this old school mailbox. It has a freaking milk. Get your newspaper and your milk delivery. So most people get their news online, but they did a poll in Japan. I believe, well, obviously the older you get, the more free time you have, and they get the paper. So I'll be honest, after the first day I was like, I don't know if I want to do this, because getting up at 2 in the morning, and then the guy took me. I just followed him, and I was like, there's no way I could remember the route and which house to get. It's pretty overwhelming, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So back second day, third day, and then you just slowly start memorizing. And then your body adjusts to the time. So you can still see I'm still memorizing. Okay, now here we go. Okay, we're lucky because today is rainy but not cold. So. A couple weeks ago it was snowing. That was a bitch. paper. So I haven't had a major screw up yet, besides putting the wrong paper in the wrong mailbox, which is expected the first, few times out, make mistakes, but after a while my boss is like, be careful, because he's got to go out, take a phone call, and go out, and give him the right newspaper, and apologize and all that stuff. And then I dropped the scooter once. When you start grooving, you kind of go in one motion with the kickstand, and I thought I had the kickstand down. It wasn't down all the way, so when I got off the bike, oops, fell down, but no damage. It's not a good feeling when you're almost at the end of your row and you notice you're missing a paper. I hope there's an extra one at the office. Gotta deliver it. Last few houses on the route today. I'm gonna stop by the head office, see if they have an extra paper. Cool, someone had it waiting for me there, so I must have left it behind. I must have forgot it or something. Or someone took it. I don't know, but it was sitting on the table. Yahoo! Cool. Finish my piece, hopefully. Not over yet. Alright guys, we're coming to the end of the route here, so if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to get some more deliveries to your door from Paper Boy. Okay, peace out. Bye.